Welcome back. Congress Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik is pitching hard to implement the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Bill 2011. Shantaram Naik has stated that if this bill comes fully into force, it will change the whole scenario of mining in the country. Shantaram Naik also stated that order of the Goa government suspending mining operations in the state was without any legal authority and the Supreme Court should have quashed it.
Shantaram Naik says that a new law called the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Bill 2011 has been introduced by the government in Parliament, and if it becomes law, will provide a simple and transparent mechanism for grant of mining leases.
तातूं आसा म्हणजे कितें लीज लायसन्स पळय दिवपाचें आसा लीज पद्दत दिवपाची आहा ती सिंपल आनी ट्रान्सपरंट आसतली. तातूंत कसलोच हें कोणाकय पळोवपाक सगळें ऑनलायन सगळें पळोवपाक कोणा दिल्या लीज कितल्या दिल्या सगळी माहिती तातूंत आसतली. दुसरें एक वेगळो तातूंत प्रकार आसा की ल्हान ज्या जाग्यार मायनींग बी आसा कोऑपरेटीव सोसायटीक सुद्दां अधिकार दिल्लो आसा आनी कोऑपरेटीव सोसायटी करून मायनींग करपाचें. कसलीय मायनींगची प्रॉब्लेम आसा जायत ती फास्ट ट्रॅकान वतली आनी बेगींतले बेगीन ताचो सुटाव जातलो ही तांणी तरतूद केल्ली आसा. आनी अत्यंत म्हत्वाचें की आज पर्यंत सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाकच चड अधिकार आसताले मायनींग संबंदी. ह्या कायद्यांत स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक पावर अदीक दिल्ले आसा.
Shantaram Naik, taking a dig at Parrikar government, said that Goa government suspended mining operations in the state without any legal authority.
Shah Commission did not give opportunity to all the affected people. On this single point, the report could have been quashed. But जालें कितें आमची गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान स्टँड घेतलो की ना शाह कमिशनान तांकां opportunity दिली ना. We will give them opportunity. Who are you to give opportunity? You are only a party in the petition.
Shantaram Naik demanded that earnings which has come from sale of dumps should be shared with ordinary employees, both direct and indirect, dependent on mining. Mukesh Kumar and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Daughter of late Dr. Narendra Dabolkar, Mukta Dabolkar, hopes that CBI will crack her father's murder case. Mukta Dabolkar stated that she is disappointed with the way investigation was carried out by Maharashtra police. Anti-superstition activist Dr. Narendra Dabolkar was murdered on 20th August 2013 in Pune.
Following court's order, investigation of the murder case of anti-superstition activist Dr. Narendra Dabolkar has been transferred to Central Bureau of Investigation from the hands of Maharashtra police. Daughter of late Dr. Narendra Dabolkar, Mukta Dabolkar hopes that at least the CBI will be able to crack the real culprits.
Whoever is doing the investigation should need to do it fast, and it has been almost 10 months since the murder, and the murderers and the mastermind behind the murder should be booked. Maharashtra police would be helping CBI in the course of the investigation.
Mukta Dabolkar alleged that persons raking moolah by spreading superstitions in the society are behind the murder of Dr. Narendra Dabolkar.
Throughout the tenure of the movement of 25 years, thousands and many people many people's vested interest have been disturbed by this social movement.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
102 ration card holders from Bardez are not genuine and their cards will be declared invalid. Department of Civil Supplies had issued show cause notices to these card holders from Bardez. Notice had asked ration card holders to produce documents establishing genuineness of their ration cards, but none of them have replied. Department is in the process to declare these card holders as invalid after 3 months. Government is verifying the ration cards.
Around 102 ration card holders may face X within next 3 months. Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs is in the process of verification of ration card data after digitization of records. Goa Electronics is the implementing agency. At present, the digitization and verification process of ration card is underway at Bardez. Implementing agency Goa Electronics had reported that some ration cards from Bardez Taluka were not supported with adequate documents. The concerned card holders were issued notices to submit their documents through post. Postal authorities unserved the notices as mentioned address were found untraceable. Department has understood that either some of the card holders might have shifted or moved out for any other reason. Thus, they might be termed as ineligible to receive any benefits under the public distribution system. Now, the department has ordered to suspend all these 102 ration cards to be suspended for the next 3 months with immediate effect. Further, if there is no intimation or attachment of evidentiary documents, these cards will be cancelled for a period of 3 months. Joint Mamladar will later submit an action taken report by 30th September this year. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Hospicio at Madgaon is back in the news and yet again for the wrong reasons. Newborn and infants were hastily moved out of pediatric ward after high voltage at around 5 in the evening led to power failure in the ward. Tube lights and bulbs went off and the ward was without power for almost 2 hours till 7 p.m.
The infants with their parents were told to move out of the pediatric ward of Hospicio Hospital after the voltage in the ward shot high at 5 p.m. and power went off. Parents said that burning smell emitted from the pediatric ward. Luckily, there was no fire as the nurses immediately switched off the mains and called the hospital electrician. The parents with their sick and yelling infants moved in the corridor and in the nearby garden.
लाइट का प्रॉब्लम है बग 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 करके बाद में स्माइल आने लगा फिर हम सब लोग बाहर आए अंदर
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.